Hello everyone, welcome to my first YouTube channel, rosanamod. I am rosanamod, and I am going to show you how to set up for your first YouTube channel. Okay, so what I did here is I have a tripod with my camera, set it up on the top, and I measured it to where I would be working, which is right down here, and I have a nice area right there to work on, so it's perfect. Set it up with my tripod, put the two front legs shorter, and then put the back leg longer. Use duct tape on the top and underneath the desk to make sure that it's stable, it's not moving. And then over here, I needed some light because I only have one window right now. And this window is, if it's cloudy, I'm not going to get any natural light. So I found a lamp, and it's a clip, but I couldn't find a way to put it on top from, so I can shoot from top to bottom. So give me a nice light for my workstation. So I found my tripod for my easel, for my canvas, and I elongated this middle right here. And over here on the top, there's a bar, and I'm going to hold that metal piece in, and it makes it nice and sturdy. So my lamp goes on. I have a perfect little area to work in, and all is well. Isn't that nice? Coco, say bye-bye. Coco. Oh, okay. She had a little attitude there. Okay, so that's it. I hope you enjoyed my really not so great video. I know that I made a lot of mistakes. I said a lot, but I made it a point to get this out today. Hi again, and I hope that you enjoyed this. Maybe it inspired somebody out there to start it already, because seriously, it's not easy to put yourself out there. And I think one of the fears that I had was I'm going to be judged. And then I thought, since when has that ever bothered me? I think nobody's in a position to judge anyone. We're all here for the same reason. We're all here to give out some information and share our experiences with people in hopes that in the long run, it will develop into something positive for everyone. I just wanted to say good luck to everybody, and comment, subscribe, and like, which is, yeah, wow. Why is this shaking so much? Okay, there you go. Oh, look it. I even look cuter that way. I should have totally held it with two hands. Okay, so I can actually hold my selfie stick with two hands. Don't laugh at me. Just don't laugh at me. Okay, so that's it. To all my friends who said I couldn't do it, hi, guys. And don't chew gum when you're doing a video, unless it's white. This is blue, so it's so obvious. Anyway, okay, that's it.